Hi, I'm Josh Merchant and I'll be presenting the demo for our project Roommate Finder. So let's just start by creating a user quickly. So when I hit the register button, it will show that the user has been created successfully. However, if I try to create the same user again, it will show that the username has already been taken. This is because we are using username as the primary key in our Dynamo table, and no two users can have single similar usernames. Moreover, all of the data which we have taken from the user here will be passing this to our SageMaker model, which uses k-means clustering to generate a list of users which match my profile. So if I now try logging in using those credentials on the home page, it will load the recommendations for me based on information I entered during the registration. So as you can see, these are all the different users which are shown here. And from we remember that the location which we entered while registering was California. The users are also shown from the California itself. And from the My Profile tab, you can just look at the profile details which we entered during the registration phase. And if we want to see the details of a particular user, we can just click that and see all the details here. Moreover, if we are not interested in the list of users recommended to us, we can also search users we want. So for example, I search for John and there's a user with the username John, so I can also add him as a friend or her. So after I send a request to them, I can see that under the friends tab, the request has been sent to John. So after the John receives my request, my request will be shown under the received section in his profile. And moreover, after he accepts my request, it should be shown under the my connection section. So let's try logging into the John's account and seeing how it looks. These recommendations which will be loading will be based on the John's profile. So under the John's friends page, we can see that a request has been received from Doe. So either we can accept it or reject it. Under the My Connections tab of John, you can see the list of users which are already John's friends. Also, after a request is received, we have also configured a event bridge event which triggers SES to send email every 1 minute. So we should be receiving an email regarding the request which was received to us. In the meantime, we can just go ahead and accept the request. And after accepting, we can see that the DO has been added as a under the list of connections. So let's see if the email has come yet. Not still. Well, we can try looking into the chat functionality till then. So uh, let me try logging in to a different account to demonstrate how the chatting works between two users. I think we have received an email. So from the SES, we receive an email saying that Do just send you a friend request and we can accept it on our profile. So that is what is configured using SES and Event Bridge. Now, if I try logging into those account from here, Going to the friends page, I see that the John has now been listed as one of the connections because he accepted my request. Now we can go ahead and see how chat works. So if I try sending from John's Doe's account, it will be showing here that here the messages are transferred in real time. This is made possible using socket programming. And yeah, that's all for the demo. Thank you very much.